Did you know that in history, animals were put on trial in court? Or that in some countries, you can go to prison for insulting a royal family? The legal world is not always simple. Today, we're looking at 5 strange but true legal facts that actually happened.
In medieval Europe, animals could be arrested and put on trial.
One famous case happened in France in 1386. A
Pig was accused of killing a child. The pig was dressed in human clothes and publicly executed after a formal trial.
At that time, people believed animals could be morally responsible for crimes. Today, it sounds unbelievable.
But back then, this was considered real justice. When you think of prison, you probably imagine small cells and metal bars.
But in Norway, prisons look very different.
At Hordem prison, inmates have private rooms, televisions, and shared kitchens.
The goal is not just punishment, it's rehabilitation.
Officers are trained to build respectful relationships with inmates.
The result: Norway has one of the lowest repeat crime rates in the world. The idea is simple.
If you treat people like humans, they are more likely to act like humans.
In some countries, insulting the royal family is a serious crime. In Thailand, there is a law called lse magist. This law protects the king and royal family from defamation or insult.
People convicted under this law can face many years in prison. Supporters say it protects national unity. Critics say it limits freedom of speech. It shows how different cultures balance respect and free expression in
different ways.
Imagine you see someone collapse in public.
You try to help. You perform CPR.
But during CPR, you break one of their ribs, which can happen.
In the past, some rescuers were actually sued for injuries caused while helping.
Because of this, many places created what's called the Good Samaritan law.
In the United States, these laws protect people who give emergency help in good faith. As long as you are not being reckless, you usually cannot be sued.
The purpose is simple.
The law should encourage people to help, not scare them away.
Not all crimes require bad intentions.
In many countries, serious negligence can lead to criminal charges. For example, in Indonesia,
failing to properly report taxes or mismanaging public funds can lead to prison.
This shows an important legal principle.
Sometimes being careless can be just as serious as acting on purpose. It can also punish harmful mistakes. The law is shaped by culture, history, and values.
What seems strange in one country may be completely normal in another.
And as society changes, laws continue to evolve. So here's a question for you. If you could change one law in your country, what would it be?
Let us know in the comments.
And if you enjoy legal facts explained in a simple way,
don't forget to subscribe for more.